In a hidden garden filled with glowing flowers, a kind fairy named Lila lives peacefully, helping animals and plants thrive. Her days are filled with joy as she flutters around, making sure every corner of her beautiful garden is blooming and every animal is happy. One sunny morning, as Lila was watering the morning dew with a bit of her sparkling magic, a small sparrow flew in, chirping urgently. "Lila, Lila," the sparrow cried. "The nearby village is in trouble. Their crops are not growing, and the villagers say it's because of a mysterious curse." Hearing this, Lila's heart filled with compassion. How could she let the villagers suffer while she lived amidst abundance? "I must help them," Lila said gently. She sprinkled some of her garden's magic dust onto her wings, causing them to shimmer with a radiant light, and set off towards the village. The village was quiet when Lila arrived, the fields looking barren and lonely. Soon, she met Anna, a brave young girl with a spark of determination in her eyes. Anna was worried about her family's farm. "I want to save our village, but I need help," Anna said. Lila reassured her, "We will work together." The first clue in their quest came quickly. Lila discovered that the curse aligned with the river's drying up. "Let's find out why the river is no longer flowing," she suggested. On their way, they encountered a group of friendly gnomes. The gnomes informed them that they knew about the river's mystery, but they would help only if Lila performed a kind deed for them. Eager to earn the gnomes' trust, Lila used her magic to heal a sick tree in the gnomes' part of the forest. In return, the gnomes gave them a hidden map that led to the river's source. The adventure continued through the twisted woods, a dark and confusing forest where shadows seemed to dance. Lila's light magic illuminated the path, guiding them safely to the edge of the forest. There, they were greeted by enchanted stones that spoke in riddles. Anna, with her quick thinking, solved the puzzle, unveiling a hidden passage that they eagerly followed. It wasn't long before they reached the dry riverbed and discovered the issue: a giant boulder was blocking the flow. Nearby, a group of mischievous goblins claimed they could move the boulder, but only if Lila could make them laugh. With a twinkle in her eye, Lila performed charming magic tricks, turning flowers into giggling bubbles that floated in the air. The goblins laughed uproariously and, in their glee, pushed the boulder away, freeing the river. Water rushed back into the riverbed, bringing life back to the village. Even so, Lila sensed something was amiss. The curse wasn't fully broken. They soon discovered the root of the problem: an old sorcerer who had accidentally cursed the village while experimenting with a spell. The sorcerer was filled with remorse. "I never meant harm," he said with sorrowful eyes. Lila and Anna, with their kind hearts, offered to help him reverse the spell. Combining courage and the pure magic of kindness, they succeeded in lifting the curse. The crops began to bloom again, leaving the villagers in celebration. With immense gratitude, the villagers hosted a grand feast. As Lila prepared to return to her garden, she left behind a glowing charm, a promise to protect the village forever. Anna waved goodbye, her heart filled with the warmth of new friendship. Lila took off into the sky, the shadows now filled with the promise of magical possibilities.